Hello everyone, today we'll continue with rank of a matrix. So first problem is find the rank of the matrix A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 2, 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Till now we were using the method of row reduced echelon form to find the rank of a matrix. So this method is using the definition of rank of a matrix. So don't worry about that, let's start this. We'll check out the problem first so you'll understand better. First, we have to see what is the order of the matrix. So, it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. That means you can fix that rank of the matrix A is either less than or equal to 3. The size is 3. So, you can say that the rank of the matrix A is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so first find what is determinant of this matrix. So, how to find the determinant? 3 into 0, 0 minus 5 2s are 10. Here second one, your symbol is minus 1 into 2 3s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5 plus 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 0 into 1 is 0. So we have 3 10s are 30. So plus into minus minus. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 1s are 1. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 2s are 8. So plus 8. Minus 30 minus 1 is minus 31 plus 8. So minus 31 plus 8 is minus 23. So determinant of A is minus 23. So this is not equal to 0. Always you have to find the determinant and check whether it is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, you can say that rank of the matrix is equal to the order of the matrix. If the determinant of the matrix is not equal to 0, you can say that rank of the matrix is equal to the order of the matrix. That means it is equal to 3. Okay. Let's get into our next problem. Find the rank of the matrix C is equal to 2 4 1 3 6 2 4 8 3, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so here let's find what is the first. Okay, what is the first conclusion? We know that the rank of the matrix C will be less than or equal to the order, that is 3. Now finding the determinant of the matrix C, what do we get? 2 into 6 3s are 18 minus 8 1s are 8 2s are 16 minus 4 into 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 1 into 8 3s are 24 minus 6 4s are 24. So this becomes 0. So you have determinant of C is nothing but 18 minus 16 is 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 1s are 4. So that is equal to 0. So we got the determinant of C is equal to 0, right? That implies rank of the matrix C is less than 3. Okay, so it can be anything less than 3. So after finding this, what you have to do is you have to find the minors of this matrix and check whether it is equal to 0 or is not equal to 0. Okay, so let's take this first minor. So we'll take 2 3 4 6. So we have 2 3 4 6. So determinant of this is what? 6 2s are 12 minus 3 4s are 12, which is equal to 0. So we'll take the next minor, that is 3 4 6 8. So what is the determinant? 8 3s are 24 minus 6 4s are 24, that is equal to 0 again. So we'll check for the next minor. What is the next minor? We will take this 4 6 1 2. Okay, so we have 4 6 1 2. So determinant of this will be 4 2s are 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. We got a non-zero number. That means here you have to see the order of this. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So we have taken the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. So we can say that the rank of the given matrix is equal to 2. So when we get a non-zero number for a minor, we should take the order of that submatrix or that minor to be the rank of the matrix. Clear? Okay, we will write a note so that you can remember this. So the first point is, when the determinant of A, or if the determinant of A is not equal to 0, that implies rank of the given matrix is equal to order of the matrix. Okay, so next we have one more point. If the determinant of A is equal to 0, that implies rank of that given matrix will be less than or equal to the order of the given matrix, right? So after this, next step is to take the determinant of, then we'll find the minor of A. Then what we'll do, the order of the non-zero minor will be the rank of the given matrix. Let's check out one more problem. Find the rank of the matrix H is equal to 2, 3, 6, 4, 2, 8, 1, 3, 5, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first, what is our conclusion? Rank of H is less than or equal to the order of the given matrix. So first, let's find what is determinant of this given matrix. So it is 2 into 10 minus 24 minus 3 into 20 minus 8 plus 6 into 12 minus 2. So what do you have? Okay, 2 into minus 14 minus 3 into 12 plus 6 into 10. So we have 28 minus 28 minus 36 plus 60. So we have 50, 58, 64 minus 64 plus 60. What do you get? We have minus 4. So determinant of H is not equal to 0. That implies rank of the matrix is equal to the order of the matrix. That is nothing but 3. Find the rank of the matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, 8, 6, 5, 2, 1, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. So first conclusion is rank of this matrix will be either 3 or less than 3. So now first let's find the determinant of this matrix. 1 into 8 ones are 8 minus 12 minus 3 into 4 ones are 4 minus 6 fives are 30 plus 2 into 4 twos are 8 minus 5 eights are 40. So we have 12 minus 8 or 8 minus 12 gives you minus 4 minus 3 into 30 minus 4 is 26. 26 into, okay, minus 26 into 3 plus 2 into 30 minus 32. So we have minus into minus plus 26 into 3 gives you 78. Then you have plus into minus minus 32 into 2 gives you 64. So now we have minus 4 minus 64 gives you minus 68 plus 72 gives you plus 10. So now we know that determinant of A is nothing but which is not equal to 0, right? So our conclusion is rank of the given matrix is equal to order of the matrix, that's nothing but 3. Find the rank of the matrix B is equal to 1 2 0 3 4 1 minus 2 3 2, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first our conclusion is the rank of a matrix can be less than or equal to 3. Next we will find the determinant of this matrix. So what is the determinant? 1 into 4 2s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3 minus 2 into 3 2s are 6 minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 0 into anything is 0, so we'll write as it is. So we have 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 ones are 5. So here minus into minus plus, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 2s are 16. So minus 16, 5 minus 16 gives you minus 11. So determinant of B is not equal to 0. That means the rank of the given matrix is equal to the order, it is nothing but 3. So when the determinant is not equal to 0, we call that as non-singular matrices. Okay, so if it is equal to 0, we call it as singular matrices. Okay, so these two things you have to keep in mind. A matrix is said to be singular if its determinant is equal to 0. That means if determinant of a given matrix A is equal to 0, that means A is singular matrix. If the determinant is not equal to 0, A is non-singular matrix. Find the rank of the matrix. D is equal to 1 2 1, 1 1 minus 1, 0 2 4, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first conclusion is the rank of the given matrix is less than or equal to the order. So we will find the determinant of it. So 1 into 1 4s are 4 minus of minus becomes plus, 2 1s are 2 minus 2 into 1 4s are 4 plus 0 plus 1 into 1 2s are 2 minus 0. So we have 4 plus 2 6, 6 1s are 6, 4 plus 0 0, 4 plus 0 4, 4 2s are 8, again 2 1s are 2. So 6 plus 2, 8 minus 8 is nothing but 0, right? That means what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is rank of the given matrix is less than 3. So first we have to take a minor of this. So we will take these 4. We have 1 2 1 1. So determinant of this is nothing but 1 1s are 1 minus 2 1s are 2. That is nothing but minus 1, which is not equal to 0. That means the rank of the given matrix is the rank of this submatrix. Order of this submatrix. What is the order? 2 cross 2, right? That means the rank of the given matrix is equal to 2. Now find the rank of the matrix. E is equal to 1 minus 1 1, 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1. So we have a conclusion to be rank of this matrix is less than or equal to the order. So first finding the determinant of this, we have 1 into 0 minus 0 is 0, minus of minus 1 into 1 1s are 1 plus 0 plus 1 into again 0 minus 0, this is 0, that is equal to this becomes 0, this becomes 0. We are remaining with this minus into minus plus, 1 1s are 1. So that means determinant of the given matrix is not equal to 0. What is your conclusion? That implies the given matrix rank is, or rank of the given matrix is the order of it. That means equal to 3. Find the rank of the matrix A. So our conclusion is the rank will be less than or equal to the order. Now determinant of this, what is the determinant? 2 into 0 minus 0 is 0, minus 1 or minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1 is into 3 into 0 is 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 3 zeros are 0 minus 2. So we have 2 into 0 0. Okay, this is minus into minus plus 1, again minus 1, plus into minus minus 1, again plus into minus minus, 1 2s are 2. So we have minus 3. That means this is not equal to 0. A non-singular matrix. That means our conclusion is rank of this given matrix is equal to the order of the given matrix.
Thank you for watching.